Did you know that WordPress.com and WordPress.org are actually two very different platforms? It's one of the most common questions beginners ask. Often, beginners confuse the two, which leads them to choose the wrong platform right from the start. Today, we're clearing up that confusion. WordPress.org, also known as the real WordPress, is the popular open source platform you've heard all the great things about. The biggest advantage is ownership. No one can delete your site as long as you are not doing something illegal. You are in full control. You own your data, your content, and your entire platform. This level of autonomy is essential for any serious business or blogger. Then there's the money. You can make money by running your own ads using platforms like Google AdSense without any restrictions. That's it for part 1. In part 2, we're exploring the incredible flexibility of WordPress.org and starting our deep dive into WordPress.com. WordPress.org gives you access to thousands of free and paid themes and plugins to customize your site exactly how you want. Whether it's an online store, a portfolio, or a mailing list, you have the tools to build it without any platform restrictions. You can even sell memberships for premium content or courses, building a thriving community directly on your own website. Now let's compare this to WordPress.com. While created by the same founder, it comes with several critical limitations you must know. For starters, you don't fully own your site. WordPress.com can delete it at any time if they believe you've violated their terms. In part 3, we'll cover more limitations and show you how to start your WordPress.org journey. See you in the next one. We are continuing our comparison by looking at the advertising and domain limitations of WordPress.com. WordPress.com places ads on all free websites. To remove them and give your users a clean experience, you'll need to upgrade to a business plan. You also need a premium or business plan just to use a custom domain name, which is vital for a professional brand. Furthermore, you can't add Google Analytics or any other third-party plugin without that expensive business plan upgrade. And remember, you aren't allowed to sell ads yourself. Only high-traffic sites can apply for their specific word ads program. I hope you now understand the clear benefits of WordPress.org. It gives you the freedom and control you need to grow. Now, let's get practical. I'll show you exactly how to set up your first website on WordPress.org right now. It's time to get practical and show you exactly how to set up your own WordPress.org website step by step. The first step is choosing a reliable hosting provider. This will be the professional foundation for your self-hosted site. Most modern hosts offer a simple one-click WordPress installation, making it incredibly easy to get started in just minutes. Once installed, you'll have access to the full WordPress dashboard, the control center where you'll build your vision. From here, you can pick your professional theme, install your must-have plugins, and start creating the content your audience will love. Choosing WordPress.org is the first step toward building a truly professional and profitable online presence you fully own. Congratulations on starting your WordPress journey. Stay tuned for our next deep dive into advanced customization. Ready to level up your digital marketing skills? Don't miss out on powerful insights and strategies that can help you grow online. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, tap the bell icon to stay updated. Share this with your friends and community so they can grow with you too. Join our WhatsApp group for free learning and updates. Let's learn, grow, and succeed together.